Good morning. Today we're going to make sushi. Easy recipe, easy to do. It's very economical to do it at home. We will need these sushi sheets and seafood. And we're going to cut up very small our carrots, cucumbers, and avocado. Come join me. There is no need to buy a special sticky rice. I use basmati. It's a medium grain, works just fine. Soak rice 30 minutes to an hour. In the saucepan goes 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. We mix and bring to a boil. And then we'll pour it onto our rice that has been cooked already. Okay, if you don't have a mat, we're going to use parchment paper. We're going to put the rough part on top and the rice, the sticky rice on the rough. The parchment paper worked just as well.